Hello guys, today we have Oppo A9 2020 screen replacement. As you can see, the LCD is smashed. The device is working. Let's now heating the back glass with 2 Celsius degree for a few seconds, and then we can use the suction cup to detach the back glass from the housing. It's my first device working on Oppo, so let's see what we got on there. We have always to be careful because we don't know what is going on there. You can insert a plastic piece and then you can swipe all over the edges. I'm using some alcohol so we can work better on the adhesive. The adhesive will become soft when it mixed with the alcohol. Sometimes this could take long time, so you can also keep hitting until we remove the back. We also have their fingerprint sensor, so we have to be careful. We may have flex cable on the way, so every step should be counted. The alcohol is very good. It helps me a lot while we are removing the back. Alright, this is a plastic back and not made from glass, so you have to be careful. The heat could melt the plastic. Very important note. Because if the back was glass, I wouldn't paint that much. It could be broke already. This device got too much glue on the way, so we have to be careful while we are removing that. I always recommend you, if this is your first time to watch the video, then you can do your thing next. Don't start at the same timing. Just watch, think, know what you have to do, then you can work with yourself. I'm cutting the glue with the tweezer. That's what I'm doing now. We do have flex cable on the way, so we have now to be careful. Now we are going to remove a bracket shield, then we can detach it and remove it. As you can see, we just have 0.5 millimeter when we insert the plastic piece. Otherwise, it could be cut, that flex cable. Remove all screws, remove also the SIM card tray or the SIM card slot. Now we can detach the frame from the housing. You can use your nails or any plastic tools. Unplug the battery first. Let's now remove the battery because the flex cable goes under that battery. We have two flex cable on there. This is for the screen. Let's just put the screen to see if the screen is working before we are assembling. I just don't want to work for nothing. Let's do that first. This is the way how to test the LCD before doing the full assembly. Alright, the screen is working, the touch is responsive, seems everything is perfect. Let's now just swipe something on the screen. Alright, the screen is perfect. Now we can unplug the battery and then we can unplug the LCD connector. After that we can continue our job with relief. Now we are going just to detach the battery. You can just hold that piece of plastic or nylon and push harder or not that harder. Remove all plastic left because the flex under it. We just need to remove one flex and then we will flip the board and continue removing the LCD. You can heat the screen, the LCD with 2 Celsius to remove the screen. It's already damaged. Just be careful with your hands. The glass could flies. Also protect your eyes with goggles, and that's it. It was tough to remove the LCD. Don't know why. This adhesive of the Oppo company is very strong, seems. Alright, the screen is off. Right now we are going to remove and clean all over the frame. Clean the ear speaker, the camera. You can use the knife to remove any dust or anything on the way on the frame, because we need to insert the new LCD in position and fit without making any edges. It should be perfect and straight, the frame to the LCD. The way more better you clean, the better you have the finish. You can see I'm looking all over the screen. if it fits on the place or not. Now we are ready to put the ear speaker shield. Alright, you can clean it. There was too much dust on it. Make sure it's in position. Then we will be ready to clean the camera, and then we can put the glue. You should know where to put the glue, and no need to put too much amount of the glue. Just a line all over the frame. Be careful of the sensor area, the camera area, and the ear speaker area. And that's all you should have to know. There is too much kinds of glue. It doesn't matter which one you can use. You can just grab anyone it's available in your country. Now we are ready to put the screen on. Plug the connector. Push it on position. Alright, then you can put the battery. Now all you have to do is to assemble back as it was. I think our job has been done. If you have any questions, you can just leave it on the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. We will do something else in the next video. Peace. Let's remove all the left glue on the back, so then we can put a new glue to close it more better for the customer.